Super easy, quick, and delicious. We're making banana bread brownies with caramel sauce today. I'm going to start with 3 ripe bananas. We're just going to put those into a bowl and mash them up. If your bananas aren't quite ripe, put them in a 250-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 10 minutes. So once the bananas are mashed up, I'm going to put in a cup of sour cream, mix that with the bananas. It's going to give us a nice texture similar to brownies. Add in half a cup of white sugar, half a cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of some good vanilla. Add in a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of baking soda, and a teaspoon of ground cinnamon for some spice. Love this recipe because all the ingredients can go right into one bowl. So once that's all mixed up, I'm going to add in half a cup of melted butter, slightly cooled down. I got 2 eggs plus 1 egg yolk, lightly beaten. We'll incorporate that with our ingredients. And then we'll just add in 2 cups of all-purpose flour. The flavors for these banana bread brownies are similar to my banana bread video. If you didn't see that, I'll put a link up above. But the texture for these are much more similar to brownies. So we'll fold in our flour and have our baking sheet here, lined with parchment paper, lightly greased. This way we can easily remove these banana bread brownies. I'm just going to add that batter to the parchment paper, even it out. I have my oven preheated, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Before we pop these in, I'm going to grate in some fresh nutmeg over the top. We'll bake these off for about a half hour or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. So the banana bread brownies baked for just over a half hour. I let them cool down to room temperature, and now we can remove these from the pan here and cut these up. In the meantime, we can get our caramel sauce going. In a saucepan, have half a cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of butter, 2 teaspoons of whole milk. Just put that over medium-high heat and melt that down. Meantime, we'll cut these banana bread brownies. They easily removed with that parchment paper. You can see the texture there. That looks perfect. Arrange those on a plate. This way we can spoon over our caramel sauce. Give this a check, everything's melted and incorporated. Just gonna finish with a teaspoon of vanilla, and that's a quick and easy caramel sauce. Just spoon that over the banana bread brownies. Of course, this is optional, but it definitely makes it that much better. You could also add chopped walnuts to the caramel sauce to give it a nice texture. So just spoon over our remaining caramel sauce over our banana bread brownies, and these are ready to go. And be sure to check out my desserts playlist for more great recipes.